Hello and welcome. So here we have a video on first page followed by some text contents, then a presentation, and later there is also a table of information. Different visual contents, but all are in this single Canva file. Let's watch visual display of this project called Exploring the Need for Desalinated Water. I'll go into how this visual suit can be made. So here is a blank page in Canva, 1080 by 1350 pixels. There will be more pages, and as you see me doing, Canva has made this really easy to have pages of any sizes in a single file. So we will have a total of 6 pages here. The first and the last pages are 1080 by 1350. 2 pages are 1080 by 1080. 1 page is 1920 by 1080 for the presentation. And there will be 1 page which is vertical, 1080 by 1920 pixels. Let's come to the first page. It will have a video of 4 coastal cities that use desalinated water for common use. I made this separately using dissolve transition. A video like this in the first slide will give some idea to the viewers on the topic of the visual suit. So for this project, I have converted the 4 slides into a MP4 video. So coming to the project, I'll simply paste it on the first page. Now on the second page, which is 1080 by 1080 square, I'll have the topic header. It is exploring the need for desalinated water. The third page is also 1080 by 1080, and here let me paste a brief description about the main topic. Now on the fourth page, which is 1920 by 1080, the presentation will come. To make the presentation, I've used Canva AI. I have used this prompt, as you can see. The main prompt is make a presentation on 4 major coastal cities from US, Asia and Europe that use desalinated water for domestic use. Then I have explained the appearance of the presentation I want. So here Canva responds with 4 designs, and among these, this is the one I like. As I click on this, Canva asks me to use its editor for further alteration. This is what I did. As you see here, I have made 2 main changes: background color to white and the fonts to Poppins and lucidity contrast. The presentation 2 is downloaded as MP4 and then uploaded to my Canva repository. And now coming to the visual suit, let me paste it on this page. Okay, the 5th page is a bit tricky. It is vertical, 1080 by 1920 pixels. I want a simple table of top 10 countries by desalinated water usage. So first I go to Canva AI and I use the prompt as you see on the screen. Unfortunately, Canva AI can't do this. It's still learning to customize some design categories. So therefore, I decide to go to Duck AI from DuckDuckGo for this. Duck AI offers 5 chat models: GPT-4o Mini, Llama, Claude, O3 Mini and Mistral. I can use any of them, but for now, let me use O3 Mini. And here is the result of that. I can copy the results or download it as a text file on my computer, which is what I did. Now that I have the data, how do I use this on a Visual Suite page in Canva? So for this, let me go to Elements and search for Table. I'll select this one, and as you can see, the table is flexible. You can pull the handles to resize as you want. I need a total of 12 rows. So from these 3 vertical dots, let me keep on adding rows. Okay, now that the rows are here, let me position it for the entire page area. And let me merge the 3 columns in the top row. I'll also add a background for the top row where the header will come. Adding contents in the table is easy. Just click on a cell to highlight it and then type your content as you want it to be. I have already made this table separately. So coming here, let me select the entire table, Ctrl+A, then copy it, Ctrl+C. Now coming to the Visual Suite, let me paste the table on page 5. The last page is 1080 by 1350, and here let me paste the text copy on environmental concerns. There is a header 2 for this page. Okay, so the Visual Suite of my presentation is complete. Let's check out this once more. Visual Suite is a good idea for a team working on each aspect of a presentation. So one person can create a preliminary suite and send to its team members. The team members can then individually change the contents like the video, the presentation, the copy or the table, and send the final components to the first person, who will then reproduce the presentation afresh and send to the in charge or to the client for approval. According to Canva, the team's productivity will increase manifold by bringing the disparate design works in one place. So that's all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching.